She says, "My goal is for fat loss. I have lost 30 pounds in the last year and have 15 to 20 more pounds I would like to lose. My eating, thanks to you, is in a really good place. So now I have been adding in some exercise. I'm doing 30 minutes of strength training 3 times a week. I would like to do some cardio as well, partially because it helps so much with my mood and also to burn some extra calories. My question is, what type of cardio is best for fat loss? High intense interval or long steady state? I am feeling confused as there seems to be so much conflicting information out there." Oh, yes, there is. All right. So, what we're going to talk about here is what kind of exercise do we need? Now, I'm about to post, and Lauren, if you want to share this, you can. I'm about to post a bunch of links to some people I really respect on this idea of exercise for fat loss. So first off, Dr. Yanni Friedhoff did a great video presentation. It was about 30 minutes long, where he actually talked, it was his keynote address. And he talked about rebranding exercise, about focusing on exercise for health, not for weight loss. So I'm including that video. I'm also including a link to Dr. Spencer Nadolsky, Exercise for Health, Not for Weight Loss. And then we have another one, that was put together called Exercise for Health, Not for Weight Loss. I'm sorry. The science is in exercise won't help you lose much weight. And another one, why you shouldn't exercise to lose weight, explained with 60 plus studies. So, what I want to first off encourage everyone to hear me on, exercise, hugely beneficial. Huge. It's one of the best things you can do for your health, heart rate, blood pressure, if you have an issue with insulin or diabetes, there's so many things exercise helps with. When I hear for fat loss, that's when the red flag goes up, and I think, we might be using it incorrectly, or we might be putting the wrong pressure on exercise in the situation. The truth is, the reason you see so much conflicting information is because both are good in their own right. I've heard professional after professional after professional crisscross each other's information based on things where in this one moment, hit training and intense intervals is the best. And over here, slow, steady state cardio is the best. And really, what it comes down to is try both, see which one you like, and that you're willing to stick with and do that because you're not going to get much bang for your buck on the fat loss. That's almost 100% going to come from your diet. Okay. Being in a calorie deficit. If you are thinking for fitness and health, it should be the one that you enjoy the most. I do a little bit of both. I like to do a little bit of hit training, maybe once or twice a week, usually involving a jump rope or interval type training. And then I love to do a lot of walking and biking around town, which would be more your slow, steady state cardio. And that's just for pure enjoyment, for rest and restoration. It's for all the health benefits. It's not to be out there slewing 1,000 or hundreds of calories. So really the question is what's best for fat loss is really, neither. Don't put don't put a lot of effort. It's the food you eat that's the best for fat loss. And then finding the fitness that fits well into your life. Maybe you're somebody who's really pressed for time and doing more interval style workouts for shorter periods actually fits better in your lifestyle right now. And you just do that 2 or 3 times a week. Or you might be somebody who has time in your schedule or can work it into your lunch break or work it into your evening routine where you go for long walks or bike rides or hikes on the weekends. And it's more that slow, steady state, right? But it has to fit within your lifestyle. You have to enjoy it. And you have to realize that you're not getting a whole. So the trade-off is I have to like it and I have to enjoy it because if I'm doing it just for the sole purpose of fat loss, I'm going to get really low return on investment and I'm probably going to do it in such a way that I'm not going to enjoy doing this exercise anymore. So if your sole idea of doing it is for fat loss, then honestly don't focus on it, right? Just focus on your food. If you're truly looking because you want to enhance mood and have better health, the one that fits the best in your lifestyle and that you're willing to commit to long term. And maybe it's trying both out, seeing what you actually enjoy, what your body responds to. And I have done some, like for instance, CrossFit. When CrossFit first came out, I really wanted to do it. And I did, but I felt so completely wiped out the rest of the day. It like really knocked me down to where I could do the workouts, but the rest of the day I just had a hard time keeping my energy level up. So it wasn't that I didn't enjoy it. It wasn't that it wasn't challenging and fun. It doesn't allow me to do the rest of my behaviors I need to do all day long. I'm like totally ready to take a nap. So I decided not to do that, right? And you have to kind of try different things out, different exercise modalities out to see what really fits well within your life. So look at time, look at your ability level, look at what you think you enjoy initially, try it, test it, and see it. But don't make the fat loss. Like if we could take fat loss off, if you didn't think you were going to lose any fat, how would that influence your decision? That's how you want to think about exercise. It's for the health benefits, for the mood change, all of those positive behaviors.